I brought out some eggs, shells, eggshells that we had for breakfast, and also some coffee grounds. The coffee grounds are going to go in the compost. I'm going to give the eggshells to the chickens and the ducks. The ducks really love these things, but the other stuff will go into the compost. And gotta get this little fence thing open here so I can get in there and take care of those chickies. There we go. I can hear them in there. They know I'm coming. They can hear me out here talking, and they get kind of excited. I'm going to go ahead and set this here. Yeah. I got my little tripod here I like to play with. And hopefully I can get this thing to just stay right here and not fall over. It'd be my luck, the chickies will come over here and they just kind of like to mess with stuff. So I hear you there, chickies. I hear the chickies. I got some stuff out here to put on the ground for you. I can get your eggs. And I'll bring this up. I'll bring this back over here and just set it here on the ground. Oh, no, let me put it outside the fence. I don't want the chickens to dig into this. All right, chickies. Can you hear me, chickies? They can hear me. Listen to them. Turn the water on, chickens. They want some water. Of course, we've had 15 degrees. Last night was 13 degrees. Any water that would have been in that thing would have been frozen. Kind of like that's kind of frozen there. But luckily today's going to get up to 50 degrees Fahrenheit. So they'll do okay. I'm going to have to go and get that water going for them. The thirsty chickies. Got thirsty chickies. Well, some chickies are really thirsty. Others are just wanting to mate. Look at that rooster. Get out of here, rooster. Yeah. Oh well. They got to make baby chickies. All right. Let me go get that water and fill up that little tub right there for them. That blue swimming pool over there is perfect for them. The duckies love it. And the chickies and guinea birds too. Yeah, those grayish colored ones there are the guinea birds. And of course we got our little duckies. Yep. Ooh, look at that big fluffy thing right there.